You want to sell your house, but you're not sure when the best time would be to sell. You want to list at a time that will maximize your sales price. You want to time the market so you'll make the most money when you sell. So when is the best time to sell your home? Let's break it down and explore the best time to sell based on market, holidays, and more. And if you already have a date in mind for listing your home, let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions about your time frame, we're here to help. Now let's get into it. So when is the best month to sell your home? The best month to sell your home often depends on your local market, but generally speaking, May tends to be the hottest month for home sales. According to data from Zillow, homes listed in May sell for an average of 1.5% more than their estimated value. Warmer weather, longer days, families looking to move before the school year are all contributing factors. That said, it's important to research your specific area as market trends can vary by locations. A home in Alaska may sell quickly in certain months versus a home in Florida. So is there a best day to list your home? Now, does it matter what specific day you list your home? Yes. Data shows that Thursday statistically is the best day to list your home. Homes listed on Thursdays tend to have more visibility heading into the weekend, which is when most potential buyers are free to attend open houses or viewings. In fact, a study by Redfin found that homes listed on Thursdays sell 5 days faster and are more likely to get above asking price compared to those listed later in the week. How do holidays affect the home selling process? Holidays can have a noticeable impact on the home selling process. For example, selling a home during the winter holidays like Christmas or New Year's can be a little tricky. Buyers are often busy with family gatherings, travel, and many people aren't actively looking for homes at that time. That said, if you do list during the holidays, you might face less competition, which can be to your advantage. And the people who are looking during that time frame are usually pretty serious buyers. You're not going to be looking during Christmas time unless you really want to buy a house. On the other hand, spring holidays like Easter can be a great time to list since many buyers are preparing to make a move before the summer. So what are common misconceptions about the best time to sell a home? There are a few common misconceptions that can mislead homeowners when deciding when to sell. You can't sell when the market is down. Even in a slow market, there are people still selling homes. People are still looking to buy homes at all times of the year. There just may be fewer buyers. Sometimes less competition can actually work in your favor. Another misconception, winter is a bad time to sell. While spring and summer are traditionally busy seasons, serious buyers are always looking. And listing during the winter can mean less competition. And in my opinion, it never hurts to try. If you don't get any bites, you can always list again later in the spring. Another common misconception is you have to renovate your home before selling. Many sellers believe that they need to make major upgrades and spend lots of money, but cash buyers or investors are often willing to buy houses as is. What if I need to sell my home quickly? If timing is your main concern and you need to sell your home fast, selling to cash buyer might be your best option. At House Buyers of America, we buy homes as is, meaning you don't have to wait for repairs or staging or people traipsing through your house or deal with long negotiation. You can sell quickly, sometimes in as little as 7 days, and get cash in your pocket without the hassle of dealing with the traditional market. Now that you know when the best time to sell your home might be, are you ready to make a move? If you want to learn more about selling fast and stress-free, click the link in the description below and see how House Buyers of America can help you get a cash offer on your home quickly, no matter what the season. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can continue to get the latest real estate tips on how to navigate the market and sell your home hassle-free.